Pdeng ki huri hura baro jong school ba North Eastern Hill University. Menteri kita nak puli putih rakam sang mau laong. Baka Sorkar Pdeng kaladai ban Pynbeit ye ki kenram ke bakta ke puli putih jong ki kena puli. Ki kena puli ke ni school ba ki dona Pdeng ke jeng bom so tho jeng mut but vice chancellor da ke badawa weng kam no ye u but ki wei ki blashu thung be an. Ula ongru baka Sorkar jela kam don bor bentuk lari ke rukom kam jong school ba but ong baka Sorkar Pdeng ke ben aino ya ka rai kam kloi na ka benta ka jeng bha jong ki khna puli but de ben ngap ya ka sur jong ki khna puli wat la da ka jeng dawa ka long ka besong hok ne em
Human resources come at a visit and they are aware very much about the situation. So this is very unfortunate. The university, this campus, this thing shouldn't happen. And I don't know the issue, what is the issue really it is. But we want, we have communicated, our Honorable Chief Minister has already communicated many times to the central government that this issue to be resolved at the earliest. I think the Minister of Education, Bynta, should decide accordingly what is the best at the interest of the students. So I don't know the report of the inquiry committee, irrespective of the outcome of the inquiry committee. So any decision made by the Ministry of Education Government of India should be according to the strictness of the environment of the state.